everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to review the newly launched K Beauty foundation. Now I have 4 shades with me over here. They have launched 20 shades of foundation and they kindly sent me 4 to try. So I'm going to swatch all of them on my bare skin for you guys to see. So if you're excited to know my thoughts on these foundations, then let's get started with the video. So as I've already mentioned in the intro, they have launched 20 shades and the shades have, different undertones. That's really nice because a lot of the times when I see, some Indian brands launch foundation, I see it, like they don't really focus on the undertones. It's either too yellow or too orange. But, if you look at the K Beauty shade line, they have, very different like undertones compared to the regular ones in the market. So that is something I really appreciate. It is on the high-end price point. It's 1200 rupees. So it is expensive. It's no way affordable. And if you follow my channel, then you will know this, that I really like K Beauty. I recently did a video featuring almost all of their products and most of it was bought with my money. Only the blushes was sent to me. So do check that out if you want to know about the brand in general. I will link it somewhere on the screen or in the description box for sure. Now this is how the bottle looks like. I always refuse to watch any reviews before reviewing it myself because I don't want to get something in my head before I can form an opinion. Now I have seen a lot of people online anyway say that this looks like the Fenty foundation bottle. I have not tried Fenty personally, but I think this bottle in general looks very nice and very sleek. It has like K all over the packaging with this, which is so cool. And I really like the packaging. It's a glass bottle and it's very nice, very like compact, and you can see it comes with a pump. So thank you so much, K Beauty. And it's a very pretty packaging. I really like the packaging. I have swatched all the 4 shades that have been sent to me. So they have sent me 115p light, they have also sent me 140p medium, 165 tan, and 190y deep. So this is the darkest shade that I have with me. My exact shade in this foundation has to be 140p medium. Just for your reference, I'm a MAC NC40 and my Maybelline shade is 310. If you are anywhere close to my skin tone, then your shade will be 140p medium or 165 N tan. K Beauty does say that these foundations have been infused with avocado as well as mango butter. They infuse a lot of their products with these 2 ingredients, and that's the reason if you use anything by K Beauty, say their blushes, highlighters, even their foundations, anything, the finish is really nice, natural looking, and it's very dewy. This foundation gives a dewy finish. It looks very natural, very beautiful. It gives like that non-cakey actress looking skin kind of finish. It looks really pretty, really natural. Feels like almost you're wearing nothing on the skin. I am obsessed with how it feels and how it looks. It looks really nice. That's what Katrina Kaif is all about. If you look at her, even if she's wearing makeup, it looks so natural, so glamorous, and so beautiful. You can definitely blend it with your fingers. Other than that, you can also use a brush. Like I've used a brush as well as a finger to show you how it blends seamlessly and just looks beautiful. I personally like how it feels on my skin. It blends very nicely. This does provide a medium coverage. Now it depends skin to skin. Every skin requires different kind of coverage, but this provides a medium coverage, and at the same time it does not look cakey, and I think that's perfect. You can wear it daily. You can also wear it for occasions. It just looks like your skin, but 10,000 times better. It just looks amazing. And I'm not trying to demean anyone with that statement, that you should wear makeup to make your skin look good. Absolutely not. But if you are wearing makeup, you should not hide underneath it. That's what I'm trying to say. It stays on for a really long amount of time. The other day I actually went to get my hair done in the salon, and I was there for a couple of hours. So it stayed on very well. I was wearing a mask on top and I did not transfer a lot. But if you're from a humid place like Kolkata, Mumbai, like in general, if you live somewhere it's really hot and humid, and if you have oily skin, if you're sweating a lot, please make sure you set your face because it will crease. You will have to. It's for any liquid product. Make sure to set your face little lightly. They also have a translucent powder, the K Beauty one. If you want to stay in the same brand, you can totally use that. I really like that powder as well, but it stays on for so long, and the transfer is very minimum. It will not transfer like crazy on your phone, on your mask. So that's something I really look forward to when a foundation is for 1200 rupees, and it's by a brand that has made some really good products. K Beauty in general does amazing products. Their lipsticks are my favorite. Their lip crayons are my favorite. favorite. I like their kajal, their liners, their powders, a lot of things. You need their eyeshadow sticks as well. So you guys actually need to check out the other video that I made about K-Beauty. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Please like as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.